Well, this thing's heavy. I had it welded in the back here to make it a little bit longer. Almost looks like a rocket launcher. Especially when you got one of these in the end. Let's see. Yeah, it could be a rocket launcher. You never know, you get a vortex flame, it could vaporize anything in front of you. Anyway, I want to show you what it looks like now. What I've done, Luke did my friend here did the welding. Okay, let's go this way. I'm going to have to change the camera settings. Ooh, why did that have to happen? Well, going to have to do a close-up here. The angle's not right. Okay, this is the gasifier. This is the cap to the gasifier. Sounds empty. See what we got inside. That's what's left. A little bit of charcoal. That thing was packed. And those little flying specks that you see coming out of the pipe. And this carbonizes right down. They just burn right up. So there's virtually nothing left. Okay, putting the cap back on, the gasifier. The size of the gasifier for wood pallets is about the right size. And you could probably put a 2-inch pipe in here where you could actually feed it. But we couldn't find any 2-inch around. Okay, this here I'm going to use for putting water in, just to drip it in. This was originally the first gasifier. There's a small little hole about 1/8 of an inch down there. So, okay, put the cap on. Come on, you. Okay, this is your propane feed here, right? Turns in and out. And this is what's going to make it work, hopefully. Let's see, let's do it this way. Give you a close-up view of this now. Stay. Okay. Alright. This is just a piece of metal that formed the paper cone, traced out the pattern. So on your pattern, would be like this. It would be rounded in on the bottom and rounded out on the top. When you form it, just like a coffee filter, almost looks the same. So this was put into the vise this way with the jaws on both sides, right, to hold it, and measured the 60 degrees all the way around, and just took a mark and marked out the center lines from here to here. Then basically took a pair of pliers and grabbed onto just one side and twisted it. So when you twisted it, it actually put a helix right into the metal. That's what it's going to look like. And it will be setting in the Joe pipe in this direction. So the air will be coming this way. It actually cause a left-hand spin. Now, if you were to put the this swirl device in the other way, where the air comes over the cone, it would get caught in here, and you would actually get a right hand spin, but it would be tight in the center. So this one here would create a right hand spin in the center of the pipe, like a real tight vortex, and this one here would spin the air tight to the outside of the pipe, and that's what you want, and the heat does the rest. So it should do something. I don't know if you can see through the eye. I'm hoping the light's okay here. Well, that's basically it. So it goes in to the base of the Joe pipe like this. You had to clip off the ends there with a pair of snips, just so you could get your start right. Okay, here we go. It's not going to go anywhere. The fan is actually back about here, so this will be just inside the housing. So I got full 1.5 inch air, and no more 5/8 air pipe. Got nearly a full 1.5 inch air going in. Is that right? I can't remember. I think so. So you actually want this to go in more, otherwise you would restrict the air. I just saw that. So you basically have it centered, and now it slides into your holder, your pipe holder here. Just put this vertical. Okay, I'm going to slide in basically like this. I think, no, wrong way. Upside down, like this. Right into the fan. So it's almost a complete seal. Alright, I'm going to bring the camera up and give you a quick look-see here. 7 minutes. So I'm going to take the camera off the tripod here. And we might even be able to do a test tonight. Alright, you can see it here. That's where the fuel goes in, the propane, wood gas, the pellets go in here. And wood gas goes into the old steam port in there. You get a lot of hydrogen produced. And that's the base of the fan where the pipe goes in here. Nice tight fit. It just worked out perfectly. I had to grind the base of the pipe a little bit. And that's about it. Okay, on this end here, what I'm going to do on this end, I'm going to take the biggie pipe, which is a 4-inch diameter stainless steel, and I want to cut a piece to go from here to about here, about a foot away, because of all the hydrogen coming out. So basically, slip the copper coil over it, wrap your aluminum foil, a little bit of insulation, put the big pipe over top, and wrap another 2 inches of insulation all the way around it, and then put an 8-inch stovepipe, steel stovepipe over top of that, and that should hold in the heat. And the swirl device is Rob's idea. I give him credit for that. So it's not my idea, it was his. This is a group effort thing. Okay, I see that we're coming to the 9 minute 45 seconds, and we better call her here.